What's up, everybody? Welcome. I'm pruning my fig trees today, and for the first time I am going to propagate them. Try to, at least. It's super easy. We'll get into that later though. I'm gonna start with this one. It's a black fig tree. I don't know the variety name. I did not plant it. I was just told it's a black fig tree, so that's what I call it. You know, crazy story about this, it was actually struck by lightning. And I thought it had died, but then a year later, it just came back to life. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, prune this, and then we'll prune the other one, and then I'll show you how I'm gonna propagate them. So there we go, got it all pruned up. A little aggressive, maybe a little more than I wanted to, but I really wanted to reshape it. I kind of want to take a couple more off, but I'm gonna kind of leave it be. All right, off to the next one. All right, and this is the white fig tree. Let's go ahead, just get to pruning it. Cool. I think that's how I'm gonna keep this one, and we'll go from there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, cut up the ones that look good enough to propagate, and we'll go from there. All right. So, got the two figs pruned up. You can see these, a lot more cuttings than I need, but I wanted more so I can just pick and choose. These are the white figs over here on this side. And then here are the black figs right over here. Ooh. So I got quite a bit. And so I'm gonna try two methods. I'm gonna put soil in these, stick them in here, let them be. And then I also have these two random glasses. I'm gonna put a couple in these and just have water in them and see how well they do. Okay. Let me grab this. Ooh. I am going to be adding just a little bit of fertilizer, not too much. This is the soil I'm using. It is all natural indoor potting mix. So there will be some fertilizer in here and hopefully some good stuff to help it along on its journey. All right, so put the white figs in there and the black figs in here. So the cool thing about propagating these, you just stick them in and you're good to go. So what I learned is like these little nodes right here, kind of where leaves and figs will sprout. As long as you stick them in, there we go, about right there. And so I'm about sticking them maybe that far in the dirt. I think what I'm gonna do is put 5 in each one. And I'll just kind of stick one in the center. It's a good one. Kind of like this. So these are my white fig. And to indicate so I don't get confused, I have these tags right here. I'm just gonna put a white one right in there. So that'll signify the white one. And then let's see, which ones of these? I think I must do this one. So we'll stick this one in the center. I don't like that one. I like this one. Then I am gonna put a little mulch. I have some pine needles right here. Just gonna hopefully these will help protect, keep the moisture in. And the ones with the soil, I'm actually gonna keep outside. Let them do their thing out here. And then the ones in the water, I'm gonna keep inside. And I believe in about 4 to 6 weeks, they should have a good root base to where I can put them in their own pots, let them grow a little more, and then transplant them. And since I prefer the black figs more, I'm actually gonna put the black figs in this bigger one. And then I will put some white figs in here. And then I'm just gonna, ooh. Okay. Which ones now? Let's see which ones are calling my name. Feeling maybe these. I got 5. Stick them in there, see how much. 1, 2, yeah, so there's quite a bit. And then the white figs. I think I'm gonna do just 3 in this one since it's not a bigger vessel like this. And there you go. Okay, here they are. Figs, super easy to propagate, right? At least that's what I've seen, been told. We shall see. In about 4 to 6 weeks, I should have roots and a good enough root base that I can take these out, put them in their own pots and let them grow a little more. And then I can transplant them out into the yard or give them away. We shall see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. Stay tuned, and there we go. I know something I am going to do with the water. I will top them off daily just to make sure it doesn't drain too much. And then about once a week, I'll dump the water out and I'll put fresh water. These are going to stay inside. These will go outside, stay outside. So that's it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys, and hopefully I'll see you next time.